Hi everybody, this is Adam Pecoraro, and we are going to be watching my friend Kelly. This is quite a workout, so here's what it started with. Kelly warmed up with 2,000 meters on the rowing machine. She did this arm maintenance workout that I also have my wife Rebecca and my friend Bob do. It's about 15 minutes, and that workout consists of 2 sets of the following exercises. Overhead press, delt lateral fly, front raise, rear delt fly, triceps overhead extension, triceps kickbacks, and what we call biceps 21. Now, after all that, she did what you're about to see, the following HIIT workout. And HIIT is high intensity interval training. That's 60 seconds on and a 30-second rest interval for 3 sets. It's quite the undertaking here today. Now, her HIIT workout begins with 4 core exercises. Now, these are very challenging exercises, not for beginners, and they sap a lot of stamina because the whole body is working at a high intensity to balance and posture through these dynamic movements. Kelly is doing a push-up into a pike on the fitness ball. She goes from the top. Hi, Diogi. It's my dog. Always when I'm recording, he busts in. So she's doing top of the foot with the push-up, and then she's going to her toes to lift her hips up into the inverted pike. Again, all exercises are 60 seconds with quality reps, and she is allowed to take what we call mid-set rep breaks. She can also stop anytime she needs to before the time is up. Honestly, she didn't do that on any of the sets. She went all the way until the end of the 30 seconds. Next is a V-up with the fitness ball, and she's gonna pass it from her feet to her hands. It's a little awkward because the size of the ball, but it's a great challenge nonetheless. Next is a 3-point Russian twist variation. So Kelly is gonna move a 12-pound medicine ball to her left, to her right, and then she's gonna direct it towards her feet. Now, she can always put her heels down with a upper torso recline to keep her abs engaged and to give herself a little less unbalancing. Feet off the ground increases the challenge of the exercise. If you wanna work the core, you gotta unbalance. So she keeps her feet up as she goes through these 3 motions. Last for the ab core is a mountain climber hop. Kelly is going to return to a plank position, and the dynamic movement is 2 leg switches or mountain climbers, followed by 2 lateral hops. And you just gotta get the rhythm with this, 1, 2, and hop left to right, 1, 2. The arms are getting a lot of work because again, she started with 2,000 meters on the rower, which incorporates her arms, and she did 15 minutes of just pure strength training for her shoulders, triceps, and biceps. Now we're gonna let Kelly shake those exercises out with a round of freestyle on her jump rope. Now she can do whatever movement she wishes. The jump rope is a great dynamic exercise for the legs and arms, and it's a nice transition from the ab core exercises into the next block of exercises, which will predominantly be an emphasis on the legs. And that's since she already did the arm maintenance exercises before this HIIT session. And jump rope is a skill with a learning curve, but the benefits are well worth the effort. Jumping rope is a vigorous intensity activity. Now, jump rope can increase cardio efficiency, and it can work to strengthen the entire body. It can increase bone density, it can improve agility, enhance coordination, and improve balance. Now, the next 4 minutes are dedicated to emphasizing leg strength and conditioning. Now, the first is a knee with dumbbell rotation. This works the single leg and rotation strength dynamics. Now, there are 7 pieces of strength that should be trained to become well-rounded, and they are push, pull, squat, lunge, bend, and single leg and rotation. Next is a goblet squat to forward lunge. Now this is for the quadriceps. Front-loaded weight and lunging will torture your legs. But one of my favorite sayings is, legs feed the wolf. Now Kelly is doing weighted Bulgarian split squats with a single straight leg deadlift. So massive unilateral challenge to not only help balance the strength training and make it as equal as possible on both legs, but also to improve and balance the ability to transfer external weight with control. And she's doing 60 seconds per leg. Lastly, just for the burnout, Kelly is tasked with doing a bent over row into a clean and press. Now, this workout is quite challenging and again, not for beginners. Kelly likes a challenge and has enough willpower, desire, and ability or athleticism to do this workout safely. While for most folks it would be total overkill, in this case, for the right person, it's just what the doctor ordered. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if you like our videos, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good rest of your day. See you next time.